Hello guys, welcome to Koh Samui, and today I want to show you 2 bedrooms villa in quiet place, our island Lipa NOI. Welcome to Lipa Talay, a perfect place to relax on the west coast on Koh Samui. This stylish 2 bedrooms villa is just a short walk from the quiet and beautiful Lipa NOI beach. It has everything you need for a peaceful holiday. Lipa NOI is known for its calm natural beauty and amazing sunset. There are not noisy bars, only peace, warm sea and soft sands. It's a great spot for families, couples or anyone who wants to escape the busy world and enjoy the silence. The villa has a private swimming pool, a sunny terrace with sunbeds, green garden and a cozy dining area outside. Inside you will find 2 large bedrooms with private bathroom, a fully furnished kitchen, a comfortable living room with cooling system and smart TV, and strong Wi-Fi everywhere. The rental price included weekly cleaning, pool and garden care, and the help of friendly villa manager who can assist with anything from airport transfer to booking tours. Just 15 minutes away by car is Naton town, where you found local markets, shops and cafes. Lipa Talay is your private place under the Samui sun, where your morning begins with sounds of nature and your evening ends with a sunset at your feet. This villa can be rented a minimum of 5 nights. If you want to book this villa or another villa in Koh Samui, text to me. All my contacts below the video. And see you in Koh Samui, guys. Bye bye!